African wild dogs are predatory animals that live and hunt in groups. They are very intelligent and great at hunting. African wild dogs are hunters who can work together. A prey, namely a wild boar, is seen having difficulty escaping from a pack of African wild dogs. African wild dogs hunt by ambushing prey in the middle so that the victim does not see a way out and finally surrenders. The strength of a pack of African wild dogs can make the victim run out of energy. With the condition of being surrounded, it finally becomes a delicious meal.